We're talking dream home goals, and this is not your average ranch.
Welcome to Saddle Creek and feast your eyes on the Kennedy, Design Home's newest showstopper. Let's have a look.
Step inside and boom, 5,600 square feet of why don't I live here already?
Work from home? Meet your new power corner. Built-ins? Check. Big windows? Double check. This office means business and good vibes.
Your guests, they're gonna love you forever. A private bedroom with its own bathroom. No more awkward hallway tower runs here.
Now let's talk about the heart of the home. This open concept space was made for spontaneous dance parties, big holiday dinners, or the sneaky late night snack.
Hello, Chef's Kitchen. Giant islands? Gorgeous finishes?
Secret walk-in pantry that's basically a Narnia for snacks?
Yes, yes.
And yes. In this great room, it understood the assignment. Sleek gas fireplace, custom built-in shelving, and easy access to the covered patio for all those chill summer nights.
Wine, friends, and a sunset, this patio knows how to party. Or nap, we don't judge.
Now this is a primary suite that says, I made it. Light drenched, spacious, and oh look, your own private patio, because you are the main character.
Let's just call this what it is, your home spa. Dual vanities so no one fights over the sink. A wet room with freestanding tub and rain showers, and then wait for it.
Closet, goals. It's like you can walk straight into your laundry room. Downstairs is a full-on fun zone.
A huge rec room for movie night.
A wet bar for cocktail hour.
And 2 additional bedrooms when everyone inevitably wants to crash at your place.
Big vibes,
Big space.
big dreams. Welcome to the Kennedy.